Question number 151. Longitudinal binary fission occurs in, and the options are amoeba, paramecium, planaria and euglena. And we know that longitudinal binary fission is a type of asexual reproduction in which the plane of fission passes through longitudinal axis of the body of organism. And this type of binary fission occurs in euglena. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4, euglena. Let's discuss other options also. The very first option given is amoeba, and this is an incorrect option because simple binary fission occurs in amoeba, or irregular binary fission occurs in amoeba. The next option is paramecium, and this is an incorrect option because transverse binary fission occurs in paramecium. The next option is planaria, and this is an incorrect option because planaria is a free-living platyhelminth and it reproduces sexually. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4, euglena. Euglena is a flagellate protozoan and it performs asexual reproduction by longitudinal binary fission along its longitudinal axis of the body. So the correct answer is option number 4, and let's discuss our next question. Question number 152. Gemule formation occurs in, and options are helminthes, ctenophorans, cnidarians and poriferans. And we know that gemules are internal buds formed by endogenous budding during unfavorable conditions in sponges. Sponges belong to the phylum Porifera and they are also known as poriferans. So the correct answer is option number 4. Let's discuss other options also. The next option given is helminthes and ctenophorans, and these are the incorrect options because these organisms performs sexual reproduction. And the next option given is cnidarians, and this is an incorrect option. Cnidarians such as hydra exhibit exogenous budding. And not endogenous budding. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 153. Which of the following sexually transmitted infection, STI, and its causative agent is incorrectly matched? And the very first match given is syphilis, and the match is Treponema pallidum. And as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because syphilis is a sexually transmitted disease or sexually transmitted infection which is caused by a bacterium known as Treponema pallidum. The next match given is genital herpes, and the match given is HSV2. And as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because genital herpes is a sexually transmitted disease which is caused by a virus type 2 herpes simplex virus, abbreviated as HSV2. Let's discuss next option. Next option is genital warts, and the match given is Haemophilus ducreyi. And as it is an incorrect match, so this is a correct answer to our question because genital warts is caused by viruses human papilloma virus, HPV, and not by Haemophilus ducreyi. Haemophilus ducreyi is a bacterium and it causes a bacterial disease known as cancroid. The next match given is AIDS, and the match is HIV. And as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because AIDS, which is known as acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, is caused by a virus known as HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 154. Which of the following is correctly matched event occurring during menstrual cycle? And the options are follicular phase, and the match given is this phase starts with menstruation in ovary. And as it is an incorrect match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because follicular phase involves maturation of follicles in ovary and not menstruation in ovary. The next match given is luteal phase, and the match is this phase occurs before ovulation, and as it is an incorrect match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because luteal phase occurs after ovulation in ovary and not before ovulation. The next match given is menstruation phase, and the match is breakdown of endometrium in uterus, and as it is a correct match, so this is a correct answer to our question, because in menstruation phase there is breakdown of endometrium in uterus. The last match given is secretory phase, and the match is formation of mucus plug in cervix under the effect of estrogen, and this is an incorrect match, so cannot be a correct answer to our question, because progesterone is responsible for thickening of cervical mucus in secretory phase, and this will lead to formation of mucus plug in cervix. So this is an incorrect option, because it is not under the effect of estrogen, but it is under the effect of progesterone. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 155. Development of unfertilized egg into complete organism is known as, in honeybee are produced parthenogenetically and they produce gametes by respectively. Select the option that fills the blanks correctly. And the very first option given is polyembryony, workers, and mitosis. And as it is an incorrect option, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because development of unfertilized egg into complete organism is known as parthenogenesis. In honeybee, drones are produced parthenogenetically and they produce gametes by mitosis. So in the very first option, polyembryony and workers are incorrect options, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. The next option given is homozygosity, queen bee, and meiosis, and this is an incorrect option, so cannot be a correct answer to our question, because drones are produced by parthenogenesis and not queen bee. The next option given is parthenogenesis, drones, and mitosis, and as it is a correct option, so this is a correct answer to our question. The last option given is parthenogenesis, worker, and meiosis, and as it is an incorrect option, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because drones are produced parthenogenetically, which is also known as archenotochy, in which only males are produced parthenogenetically in a population and they produce gamete by mitosis only. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question.